Hello everyone, today we are going to see the best video editor for Kali Linux user. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's get it started. First of all, go to your browser and search kdenlive, kdenlive, and go to the official site of kdenlive. After that, just click in download button here. And you can see the Linux app image. Just click in app image. And you can see the process has been already started, but I have already downloaded, so I will go to the folder directly. Here, this is the image file of kdenlive. So you don't have to install this one because this is an app image. So just go to properties, and here you can see everything should be read and write. Okay, so everything should be read and write, and at the very last button you just have to click enable that run as an administrator app. Then you can see the app has been already installed, and boom guys, you can directly go into the editor application and just edit the video. It is quite simple and very light to use. Here you can see the different features. You can check it by taking your time, and if you want the video tutorial, then I can bring further editing in Kali Linux as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time. Bye bye.